Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to Eyes on Tools.
If you have tried to learn AI tools before, you know the pattern. You watch a few videos, you save a bunch of prompts, you install a few apps, then a week later, you are back to doing things the old way because nothing stuck. Not because you are lazy, because the learning had no structure. That is what Coursiv is built for. It takes AI learning and turns it into a guided path with daily momentum. So instead of collecting random tips, you build skill with a plan. Today, I am testing Coursiv.io in a real workflow, not to see if the lessons are nice, to see if it actually helps you learn and apply AI tools consistently.
So don't forget to like the video, subscribe if you haven't, and tell me in the comments which AI tools should be next on the list.
Coursiv is an app that teaches AI tools through guides and daily challenges, so you can learn with a clear direction and a time-based routine. You can browse content in two main ways: by tool, like ChatGPT, Midjourney, and others, or by goal, like AI image income and AI-driven affiliate marketing. And that second one matters because most people do not want to learn tools for fun. They want an outcome. It also includes access to different AI tools from inside the app, plus pre-made prompt windows that help you get results faster. And there are certificates you can attach to your LinkedIn, plus streaks to keep you consistent. On screen, I start with the onboarding style page that builds a personal challenge. It looks like a 28-day plan with one new AI tool per day. That is already a smart design choice. It removes the "what should I learn next" problem. Step 1, I pick a goal. For this test, I choose AI-driven affiliate marketing because it forces real outputs. You cannot fake progress there. You need ideas, content, and a system. Step 2, I start the challenge. The interface is day-based. Each day is a small unit. You learn one thing, you do one task, you move on. That is the core promise. Focus your attention on a specific goal that is achievable by daily learning. Now, the real test, I do not want to just read, I want to produce something. So I open day 1 and I look for anything that helps me get to output fast. This is where the prompt windows matter. Coursiv has pre-made prompts built into the flow. Instead of staring at a blank prompt, you get a template that is already pointed at the goal. Day 2, the same idea, but a different tool. The challenge format forces variety without losing direction. You are not learning random tools. You are learning tools that contribute to the same goal. Then I keep going. Each day, I collect one asset: a hook, a content outline, a post idea, a landing page copy block, a short list of affiliate angles. Whatever the day is focused on, I make sure I walk away with a saved output. That is how this kind of app wins, not with deep theory, with repeatable daily delivery. Guides are the main course library. You can pick them by tool like ChatGPT or Midjourney, or you can pick them by goals like AI image income or AI-driven affiliate marketing. Practical point: goal-based learning reduces overwhelm. You stop thinking, "What should I learn?" and start thinking, "What do I need to ship?" Challenges. This is the core. A course built around time constraint with one new AI tool per day. It is designed to keep your attention on one thing at a time. That matters because most people fail AI learning by trying to learn 10 tools in one weekend. The challenge approach also creates a feeling of progress. You are not guessing. You can see the days, you can see what is next. And because it is daily, the goal feels achievable. One small step today, another one tomorrow. Coursiv is not just lessons. You can actually use different AI tools from the app. This matters because the gap between learning and doing is usually friction, switching tabs, copy-pasting prompts, losing context. When the tools are in the same place as the learning, you move faster and you are more likely to actually complete the task instead of saving it for later. This is one of the biggest value points for creators. You get pre-made prompt windows that help you get results faster. In practice, this does two things. It removes blank page fear, and it teaches you prompt structure by example. The best way to use these is